Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. There is a problem, another partial fraction. Look, this one is squared, this factor is squared, so we have a different rules. These rules, we have to use these rules if a factor is squared. So a over, we have to write 3 over x plus 2 x minus 2 square equal a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 2 plus c over always plus sign x minus 2 square, right? If it is cube, then it would be plus d over x minus 2 to the power cube. These are the rules. Okay, now we have to LCM the fractional denominators. How to LCM? Do you know? It looks not good. Okay, now it is clear. LCM x plus 2 x minus 2 and another x minus 2 square. Divide x plus 2 at first. Now it is 1. It is x minus 2 unsensed, x minus 2 unsensed square. Now divide by x minus 2. It is 1. It is 1 and it is x minus 2. So x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. What is the result? X plus 2 and x minus 2 square, right? It is the LCM result. Write it here. X plus 2 x minus 2 square whole square. So for E, x plus 2 must be eliminated. Only x minus 2 is square. For B, x minus 2 only eliminate. So x plus 2 and x minus 2. Okay, and for C, x minus 2 whole square will be eliminated. So only x plus 2 is here. Both are same, so cancel out. 3 equal the rest of expression x minus 2 square plus b x plus 2 x minus 2 plus c x plus 2. It is equation 2. Now we have to substitute the value in the equation 2. At first for A, x plus 2, this one x plus 2 equals 0, x equal minus 2. Substitute x equals to minus 2 in the equation 2. What will then? 3 equal, if you put the x equals to minus 2, the b part and c part must be eliminated, right? Must be 0. So it is 0 and this part is also 0. It is not necessary to show you in the exam paper the calculation. Just write like this. And now we have to substitute the value of x plus 2. So x plus 2 equals 0. So x equal, not x plus 2, it is x minus 2. My mistake, x minus 2 equals 0, x equal 2. So the calculation then 3 equal If we substitute x equals to 2, then which part will be 0? Part A and part B, right? Because they both of them has x minus 2. C value is 3 over 4, right? Yes, 3 over 4 it is. And now we have to substitute what? Nothing. So we have to substitute 0 if there is no factors. So you can substitute x equals to 0, then x equals to 1, then x equals to 2. Or there is another way, equating both sides of the coefficient of x squared. This process you can find out the third number values. Okay, I am using x equals to 0, these rules. So substitute x equals to 0 in the equation 2. It is much easy. Put the 3 equal, it is 4a plus or minus, yes, minus 2 to 4, 4b and 0 to 2c, right? And we have the value of c and we have value of a, so we substitute the value of a and c in the equation to find out the value of b. Now b equal, what is the value? Minus 3 over, I'm using my calculator, 3 over 16. So substitute all the values a, b, c in the equation 1 for the final answer. What is the value of a? It is 3 over 16 x plus 2. Then b value is negative, so it is negative sign. B positive plus negative, it is negative, right? So it is negative 3 over something and plus 3 over x minus 4 x minus 2 square. This is the answer. Thank you very much.